Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Gem. It is a beautiful morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. We are pulling into Bermuda. We should be there in about an hour. In the meantime, my plan is to go downstairs to a restaurant called Grand Pacific. It's on deck 6, I believe. Stop in there for some complimentary breakfast and then head over to the island of Bermuda, set my feet on land for the first time in 2 days, and explore the island. So that's going to be a different video. This particular video is all about my breakfast at the Grand Pacific restaurant here on the Norwegian Gem. Come along with me, let's see what it looks like. Lots more video coming from this casino. I actually did quite well here. I know I seem like I'm the only one on this ship, but I promise you I am not. Actually, this ship is almost at full capacity. Big party last night on the pool deck, which would explain why everyone's still sleeping, I guess. And again, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, so it's kind of early. I'm sure there'll be diners in the Grand Pacific room, however. So the deck plan said that the restaurant was on deck 6. Once I got there, it said it is on deck 6, but you have to access it from deck 7. I have no idea what that means. Anyway, I'm on deck 7 now, and we're heading towards the restaurant once again. It's going to be a beautiful day. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. I like the Gem a lot, but this was really a weird layout to find this place. I'm sure lots of people have issues. I think this morning I'll get the cinnamon raisin French toast, some sausage, as well as country potatoes, and of course, orange juice and black coffee.
I thought if any place on the ship would be busy, it would be this Grand Pacific room, but it's still quite empty as well. I need to sleep in more often. It's just, I got a lot of work to do. This looks delicious, and once again, it's all included in the food and drink package, so you can eat as much as you want. If you want more, just ask. If you want to eat this and try something completely different, you can do that too.
So my breakfast at the Grand Pacific restaurant was really good. I do have to say I couldn't film as much as I wanted to, and there was somewhat formal. I didn't expect that for breakfast. They actually told me to take my hat off, which I've never been told for breakfast before, but obviously I don't have an issue with that. But I couldn't do too much filming, but I will tell you I had the French toast with the country potatoes, the orange juice, pork sausage, and black coffee, of course, and everything was really good. Everything was hot, the service was fantastic. They couldn't do enough for you in there. Everyone's smiling, and it's nice to see some land. We've been at sea for a day and a half. I got the tugboat behind me that helped us get the ship into port. I think it was one of several tugboats that got the ship into port. But I'm looking forward to a full day in Bermuda. I hope you enjoyed the breakfast video. Again, I apologize for not showing you the food that much, but I don't think that's going to be an issue going forward on the ship. So take care, guys, and I will see you in Bermuda.
So I was editing this video and I started looking at other videos I did while I was in Bermuda this particular day, and I realized why I got up so early. This was a jam-packed day. Lots more coming from Bermuda here on the New York channel, including Hamilton, the capital of Bermuda, which I visited, as well as the Royal Navy dockyard. And I also went on a really cool Bermuda bus tour. It went around the entire island, so that was really cool as well. And it's not just Bermuda. I also visit St. Martin, St. Thomas, Puerto Rico, and the Dominican Republic, coming up here on more videos from the New York channel. As I always say, stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.